I got this run-in acid drop right here. Run, run, run. Boom, right into it. The perfect ledge for it.
Not this one, the second one.
The second one's huge! Holy f***, that thing was massive!
I can definitely get it, I think. That wasn't me. You can do it. You got it.
That's what it's all about. You gotta be kidding me. Gary's on GoPro 12 duty. Here's your camera. Sitting in the water, big dog.
Yeah, boys.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, the next finger! Still cruising. Next finger? No way, this is a shallow spot. Super sketch! Oh my. Oh yeah, that's rock. That's rock. So sick. I love this way. Yes! Here we go. Just get to open up onto the inside. Cruising. Whoa. Oh, we got it still. That's what it's all about right there.
We're out here at Channel Wells. It's pumping, and I'm on dad cam right now. Yeah, this is my job now. This is my office. No flex.
Gary on the inside. Oh! Woo!
Yeah, you! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god! Have you ever had this much fun going straight on a ledge? This is so fun. Wow, this is a good set. Oh my, look at that thing. Oh!
I found Blair! I found him! Oh my Lanta! Oh! Blair! It's Blair! So if you've noticed, I lost my hat. Someone's gonna score on a new reef hat.
Gary lost his board. Uh-oh.
Ow. That hurt really bad. Oh my dude. Oh my dude, I just slammed into the rocks so hard.
Hey, bro, The fact that you don't have bigger cuts on your feet right now is mind-blowing. You just went over the falls into the rocks.
Dude, my feet slammed against the rock.
You think you're broken?
No.
I'll tell you what, dude. Your cuts were so minor.
Yeah.
You got lucky, bro.
What happened? You alright?
Heavy run-in for Gary. That was honestly very lucky. He is stoked he doesn't have anything broken. I feel bad for the guy though. That's gonna probably put him out of the water for a minute. Oh, how's the collateral? You get two.
Yeah.
Kind of minor, dude. That foot you can tell hit the rock hard though.
Yeah,
It's swollen.
Yeah. And I got like sucked into the back of the lip where it goes down.
Yeah.
And then it like brought me deep and I felt like I was under the wall. Like,
probably where?
I was like, yeah.
Well, that's a bummer. Gary is gonna be out of the water for a minute there. Time to put on your little GoPro 12 necklace, buddy.
Oh, dude, why'd you give me the GoPro?
See that little front screen? Look at that. We can touch it, change how we put it to 5 seconds.
Whoa.
Here we go, 5. Oh,
Selfie pros. We're gonna take another one because it's so easy. Wait, I can't do that. I can't do that.
You can touch screen. Gary, you can't touch screen on that thing?
No. I hope I lose this camera because it's worthless to me anyway.
Just a couple buds hanging out. I hope his doctors don't see that one.
Dude, I just surfed on a broken foot.
You just ripped on a broken foot. That's what it looks like underwater at China Walls. You got rocks to dodge everywhere. This is a big dog. He's jumping in? Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, air section.
Oh no, this might hit me. We're like right on the water line right here. Oh!
Let's go. Go, hey! Yeah!
I'm jumping.
This is what we've been shooting with past 3 days of China walls. We've had an absolute freaking blast. Been using the GoPro 12 and the Osmo Action 4. Both cameras have their pluses, but I think one thing that really stands out about this camera, the mounting mechanism that it has, the magnetic mounting, is super convenient. Osmo Action 4 did a great job designing their mounting system, so it's very easy to switch from vertical to horizontal, and then also to other mounts. So say we want to go shoot with the mouth mount, boom, just snap it right on like that. This is also a huge plus to their camera. Comes with 3 batteries that are just ready to go, and battery life on this camera is impressive. It's been outlasting the GoPro every session.
How's it look? Pretty.
It just looks
pretty
more
surface.
swollen, yeah.
Yeah.
That one is definitely the deepest one, right?
Literally skipped from one ledge onto one butt cheek, and then the other ledge onto the other butt cheek, and my cheeks just freaking absorbed the fall. I probably have like a couple bruises on my butt, but
Couple cheek scrapes.
double cheek freaking. I was just double cheeked up.
Is that out?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're waiting for a move.
Yeah, I'll be right in.
I think these are actually more comfortable.